Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Roslan. Okay, for the gas turbine is where fuel is burned to spin the generator. Gas turbine also is the engine at the head of power plant that produce electric current. Gas turbine is a combustion engine that can convert natural gas or other liquid fuel to mechanical energy. This energy then drive a generator that produces electrical energy. To generate electricity, the gas turbine heat a mixture of air and fuel at very high temperatures, causing the turbine blades to spin. The spinning turbine drives a generator that converts the energy into electricity. For the first air fuel mixture igniters, the gas turbine compresses air and mixes it with fuel that is then burned at extremely high temperatures, creating a hot gas. Next is hot gas spin turbine blade. The hot air and fuel mixture move through blades in the turbine, causing them to spin quickly. For the third is spinning blade turn the drive shaft. The fast spinning turbine blade rotates the turbine drive shaft. Then turbine rotation power the generator. The spinning turbine is connected to the rod in a generator that turns a large magnet surrounded by coil of copper wire. For the last, generator magnet causes electrons to move and creates electricity. The first evolving generator magnet creates a powerful magnetic field that lines up the electron around the copper coil and causes them to move. The movement of this electron through a wire is electricity.
My name is Muhammad Khairul Syikiman bin Muhammad Syarudin. I will explain about the steam generator. Steam generator is the equipment that used to produce steam, and steam that produced from the steam generator will send to the steam turbine. This is function of steam generator. So the theoretical for production of steam. Water and steam are typically used as a heat carrier in heating system. It is well known that water boils and evaporates at 100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure. During the evaporation process, a substantial amount of heat are used for bringing the water from liquid to vapor phase. In this reaction, steam contains a larger amount of latent heat. Vapor has a higher amount of heat if compared with liquid. Okay, for non-destructive testing, steam generator, firstly, laser scanner penetrant inspection, or known as LSPI. This equipment used for detect crack in the tube. And second is eddy current, also used to detect the crack in the tube in the boiler.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noshaza Inara binti Ramlan. I will explain about the steam turbine in power plant production. Impulse turbines is the rotating blade are like deep buckets, high velocity jets of incoming steam from carefully shaped nozzles kick into the blades, pushing them around with a series of impulses and bouncing off to the other side with a similar pressure but much reduced velocity. In reaction turbine, there is a second set of stationary blades attached to the inside of the turbine case. This helps to speed up and direct the steam onto the rotating blade at just the right angle before the steam dissipates with reduced temperature and pressure. That's all for steam turbine in power plant production.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisha binti Anwar. I will explain about the generator. Generator is where the mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. The spinning of the gas and steam turbine drive the generator rotor to spin, converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. Generators have two important parts. The first part is rotor, which rotates, and the stator, which remains stationary. The generators use the principle of electromagnetic induction, which exploits the relation between magnetism and electricity. Electric generators transform kinetic energy into electricity. This is the most used form for generating electricity and is based on Faraday's law. NDT application for generator first is visual testing. Flexible fiber optic and video probes are used to inspect generator areas through access ports with limited access. Second NDT is eddy current. In eddy current testing, one of several electromagnetic testing methods, electrical currents are generated in a conductive material by an induced magnetic field. This method can be used to inspect wedges and slots of the generator in less than 1/4 the time required for PT.
Hello, my name is Aiman Shairuddin bin Ayub and I will explain about the function of compressor. The main function of compressor is to increase the pressure of steam as it passes through the equipment.
The picture below shows the structure of compressor that used for steam. The steam will enter through the left side of the compressor. In the compressor, the steam pressure will increase and the high pressure steam will lift the compressor to the right side of the compressor. Function of compressor. The main function of compressor is to increase the pressure of the steam. At the compressor, the entering steam was in high temperature but in low pressure as it passed through the compressor. The compressor will increase the pressure of the steam. This causes the high pressure of the steam will come out from the compressor. The second function of compressor is to increase the boiling point of the steam. As the steam passes through the compressor, high pressure of steam will be produced. The pressure of the steam causes the boiling point of the steam will be increased. This because higher the pressure of steam, the higher the boiling point of the steam. The third function of compressor is to speed up the cooling process in condenser. As the steam passes through the compressor, high pressure of steam and high boiling point of steam are produced. As the steam passes through the condenser, the cooling process of the steam from high temperature to low temperature and the changes phase of the steam from gas phase to liquid phase will be much faster as the boiling point of the steam are increased. The first importance of compressor is to reduce costs in the condenser. The cost of processing the cooling water and the usage of water in the condenser can be reduced by the help of the compressor. The second importance of compressor is to increase the process of the cooling in the condenser.